What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Old Farts Garage. So here's what we got going on. Today, I'm putting together my U-joints and my driveline so I can put it back in the truck. Okay? So, right now, just trying to get this last coupling in there with the bearings. And one of the little things I'm disappointed about is the fact that they came with the brand new grease fitting, and I figured, oh well, I'll just take one of the old ones, the old style ones, and put them in there. Well, nope, that ain't gonna happen because these are smaller threading than that is. So now I have to go get me a grease fitting that has the needle to it. I mean, no biggie. They're not that expensive or anything. It's just the fact that I have to go buy another tool. You know, I mean, how often? Oops, I forgot the bushings going on there. Oop. Well, can't put that on there. Just realized that the bushing's missing. But we can take this one off right here. This one's in still pretty good shape. Just put that bushing on there. There we go. Good as new. Alright. So this one's ready. Okay, ready to put back in there. Maybe take a little bit of steel wool, clean that up maybe. I think so. Alright. Alright, let's clean this up a little bit. Old ones. Okay. There we go. Nice and clean. That'll work. Okay. Now we got to mount it to the driveline itself, and that's going to be a lot of fun. Yeah, buddy. Alright, let's see if we can do that. Alright, so we got the first piece on. Darn sunlight. Okay, first piece is on the driveline right there. Cool. And then we're getting ready to put the second piece on. Alright, got the first cap put in and locked. Now I just got to put the grease fitting back in. Got these side caps taped up so you don't lose them, and then I just got to tap the other one in there. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so we've got the driveline, the U-joints put together and all that. Now we're going to try to attempt to put the driveline back inside, mount it back here again in the truck. So let me wipe some of this winter dust off of it. The seal don't look too bad. You know, I'm just going to mount it. If it leaks later, I'll just replace it. It's no big loss. No, nothing hard to do. Everything looks good. Okay. Just wipe it down a little bit. Alright, what I gotta do. Okay. Now I gotta pick this thing up, put it through the sleeve. There's a member here in the frame. Right there. That hole right there. I gotta pick it up and put it through that. So let's go ahead and put this back down. get positioned. Let's get this drive line in. Oh man, I haven't bench pressed in a long time. This is like bench pressing. Okay, it is in there. All right. Now, let's see if we can get this. Here we go. In the meantime, all that good old dust and everything is just flying in my eyes. Oy. Okay, let's see if we can get this in here. Oy, this is gonna be a task. I can feel it already. Gotta line up these grooves. There we go. Yeah, we got it. Whew. There we go. Now we just got to push it all the way in. Come on. Can't be that hard. Can it? Son of a gun. There we go. Beautiful. Yes. Yes, it is happening. Okay. Okay. Let's see if we can get this in there. Oh, just a little bit more. Come on, baby. Come on. There we go. That's what we want. All right. Let's go ahead and put these back on. Let's get this thing all tightened into place. Okay. Let's see, we got this one going on here. Okay. Let's go ahead and over. Okay. Let's go ahead and put we'll just put this on here loosely. Jeez Louise, I know I didn't type these on there. Well, they were finger tight, and now they're wrench tight. How does that happen? Oh, are you kidding me? Yep, it's kidding me. Okay. See, it's supposed to come off nice and easy like that. All right. Whew. Let's get these bad boys on there. And of course, it's not going to be easy. Oh, Lord have mercy on my soul. All right, so apparently we got it in. Okay, I just got to reach my nuts. Whew. Boy, that wind's blowing up my shorts here. All right. Let's get this in place. There we go. Make sure it's behind that pin. There we go. Okay, there goes that. All right, got that one. God, I hope I don't drop this nut and it goes rolling down the driveway. That usually seems to happen 90% of the time. Okay, now, if I could just grab this wrench, my fingers don't work. Alright, let me see. Alright. Okay, there's that one. Let's spin it around. Alright, yep, that one's in. Let's work on that one. Come on. Alright, let's go back again over here. Finish it off. Oh, we'll give this one some spin. Try to get them even. Alright, spin this back around. There. Let's go ahead and finish it off. Start on this side. Oh, here we go. Oh, come on. Jeez, Fernando. Is it really that hard? Okay. All right. Well, that's not working. There we go. All right. All right, that one ain't going nowhere. At least I hope not. Okay. Whew. Now the other side. Damn it. Tell you what, these ratchet wrenches, boy, have they saved me a lot of trouble. These things are great. All right, well, ladies and gentlemen, subscribers of the Old Farts Garage, we did it. The Driveline is now officially back on the 63. All right, look at there. Oh, never mind, hold on. Camera problem. All right, there we go. Here it is. It is officially back in its place. Okay, so we have Driveline. We have Driveline. Yeah, buddy. Oh yeah, and Check out my new 3-ton Daytona jack stands I got from Harbor Freight. Pretty awesome little things, aren't they? Anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. I'm done. I'm gonna go have me some lunch, clean up, and just live life to its fullest. Alright, so anyways, from underneath the 63, whew, let's go. Oh my god. Alright, so from underneath the 63, the Driveline was it's successfully put in, but man, was it hardcore. So let me turn around here. Okay, alrighty. Whew. So anyways, we have the Driveline in. Now I gotta leave it jacked up like this and start taking off the exhaust so we can put in our new exhaust system. But that's gonna be for another day because I'm pooped. Yeah, this Driveline gave me hell. I don't know why. It came out easy, but of course nothing ever goes back easy. So I gotta give my shoulders and my wrist a rest. And you know what? I think tomorrow we're gonna tackle this exhaust system. Yeah, buddy. So anyways, from my 63 and me and the old farts garage and all that good shit, thank you to everybody who subscribes and watch, and we'll see you tomorrow. All right, later. We'll be back. Yeah, we'll be back underneath the truck. So we'll see you back underneath here again tomorrow. Have a good one. God bless.